Okay, hi and welcome to our demo. This demo will be consisting of two parts. One is the one I'm showing you now, and the other one is in Omniverse. And what I'm going to show you now is how we can turn streets from Google Maps into 3D assets for us to edit in Omniverse. So, first thing we're going to need is Blender. The second thing is Buildify, and the last thing is Blossom. So once you finish the installation of Blender, you can leave these two just downloaded for now. Now, when we go into Blender, we have an empty project. What you want to do first, you go to Preferences, you go to Add-ons. For me, it's here. It's Install from Disk, and we want to install the Blossom zip. So you just add that, Install from Disk, and then if you want to check if it's working, just search Blossom, make sure it's checked. Now, what do we do now? We go this little thing, and then we see Blossom, and then we have a bunch of stuff. So what we want to do is go to 2D, go to geometry nodes and file, and we want to choose the Buildify. Don't blend, press accept, because this is a file and we'll use the geometry nodes in this Blender file to make the buildings for our what you call it, design. Make sure you tick building. We're not importing any forest, so just undo that, and then we press select. In this screen you can just search any street. We'll just do, I don't know, Bilderdijk in Amsterdam. We press show rectangle, we choose whatever little bit we want to do. I think we're just going to do a small one because my computer isn't the best, so we'll just do something like this. You press copy, we go up, we go back into Blender, we click on paste and import. Then we wait, we just ignore the errors, and just like that we have Bilderdijk, at least a little bit that we have chosen, in 3D. What I like to do before exporting is a few things. First of all, we press 3D and then import again. This will just make sure that in Omniverse it'll actually open as 3D. Then we just select everything, do Control A, and Alt Transform. Again, ignore the error messages. And go to File, Export, and Universal Scene Description. We'll just call it a demo street, and it exports USD, and then it should be exporting. And then yeah, we'll see you in Omniverse. Hello, welcome to the second part of our demo. Last part I showed you how the importing of the streets works on Blender. This part I'm going to show you, I already showed you, but this is Meshy. This is what we use to make 3D models. This was a photo for reference, and then you just give it a prompt, and as you can see, it's almost a one-to-one replication. And then you can export these in whatever format you need. In Blender we use FBX, I think. But yeah, it's as easy as that. And then this is the street we have imported from the last video. It's now in Omniverse. Yeah, this I'll show you a little bit because we've already decorated it a little. So here we have the ninja, and then we have this arch. Again, because of the limitations of our hardware, it doesn't look as nice, but given some good hardware and some time to actually make some really good objects, and this should look 10 times better. But yeah, you can just like go through the street. We've added some lights, and then we have another archway, and then, oh, who's this man? Okay, no, but you can add some decorations, some Christmas trees. You can walk through the rest of the city or the street. The possibilities are endless. But yeah, this is the end of our demo. We hope that you've learned a lot about Omniverse. and we believe that this is the right step forward. But thank you.